Hey there YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dan and I'm the wannabe geek. I'm just an average guy with an above average interest in all things technology. Thank you so much for dropping by today. Today, as you would have seen already on the title, we're doing a quick unboxing. It's a very quick unboxing of the Mavic Mini. This thing is incredible. You've probably seen the videos all over the internet already, but this thing, DJI have done an incredible job on the creation of this beast. Take away the 249 grams, take away the 3-axis gimbal, the 2.7K 30 frames a second footage, take those things away. This thing can still fly in quite gusty winds and still keep everything stable, keep everything crisp. It's an incredible little drone. We're going to do an unboxing. It's on the back of my truck down the beach. So the audio will flick over to my GoPro 8 footage that I took this on. So let's have a look at the unboxing and the first flight impressions of the Mavic Mini. Alrighty, so we're gonna unbox the Mini. So let's get this thing unboxed. Yeah, that's not quite unboxed. Let's just try that again. Okay, so we're almost there. That doesn't seem to be unboxed either. All right, let's just try that one more time. So as you can see with this unboxing, there is the Mavic Mini, the controller. In the background, you can see a couple of the connectors that go and connect with the controller. The controller's there, the gimbal guard cover, and also there's extra props in the box. I didn't get all them out, but this is a great little drone. Let's do some first flight impressions and let's see how this bad boy flies, because this thing, let me tell you, is absolutely amazing. In Australia you pay $5.99 for this, in the US it's $3.99 US dollars. I'll put the conversion rate, what that looks like, because we do get ripped off here in Australia. Come on, Australian government, pull your finger out. Let's have a look at the quick flight impressions. This thing takes off from the back of the truck, I go for a quick flight and come back. So let's have a look and talk about it after, not the break, but we're just gonna have a bit of a chat about it. Let's talk about it, let's have some fun. Let's enjoy this bad boy. As you can see, that footage is unbelievable. For the size drone, for the time of night that I was flying, it was late, well late in the afternoon. The sun was setting, so some great footage there. 2.7K, 30 frames a second, giving it a great crisp finish in the footage. I mean, really, who needs more than that from this thing, for the price, unbelievable. You can see that it's pretty stable. For a drone that is 249 grams, I was flying in about 10 knot winds, and so that was pretty impressive to get the stable footage. It was pretty impressive to get the stable footage out of this and in those 10 knot winds. And it's just an unbelievable drone. 3 pros, 3 cons that I want to talk about before we wrap this up. It's ultra small. Pro number 1. It is ultra small. This thing is so small, I can fit it into my bag, I can put it into the car, into a small camera bag, or you can fit it in with the other drone bag. It's so well priced. Number two, it is so well priced. This thing is $399 US, or if you're in Australia, you're looking at $599 here in Australia. That's just for the drone and what we saw in the unboxing. You can get the Fly More combo for $799 here in Australia. The third thing is the battery life. This thing has the best battery life. It is unbelievable. I've literally got about 25 minutes of flight time out of it, 27 minutes close to. Advertised is about 31 minutes. So getting the flight time that I'm getting out of this is far exceeding what I'm getting out of my Mavic Air. So I'm reaching for this more than I'm reaching for my Mavic Air at most times. The three cons, the first one would be there's no front or rear facing sensors on this particular drone. It's not a toy. You are paying the best part of $600 to get this thing, and at that price you want to make sure you're looking after it and being careful. So these little vents here are not sensors, so don't be confused that they are sensors on the Mavic Pros, but they're not sensors on this one here. It does have the rear sensors, the downward sensors, which help for landing and stability and just letting it fly stable. So it's a fantastic little drone. The second con would be potentially the props on this are a little bit flimsy. I'm not a big fan on how flimsy they are. I mean, look, it's a pro, it's a con, because with the thinner props, it does make it a lot quieter. So your decibels and your flight sound is a lot quieter than it is. The Mavic Air is just a beast, and it is so loud. So this is, I would consider it a pro and a con, but I'm reaching for straws on some of the cons. And the third con for me would be that the DJI firmware updates. Man, what a nightmare. But all in all, this is a great drone. It's great value. It's outstanding quality. It's so easy to set up. And I do find that I'm grabbing this more than I am grabbing my Mavic Air. Thank you so much. If you liked the video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you didn't like it, hit the thumbs up button twice, and then subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next video. You will be seeing a new video coming soon.